chef in the kitchen.
Hello?
Oh, hey. Can I take your head and make a dish? Please? I don't think so. I don't think that was a yes. Hey, walkie-talkie. Well, that Whisk guy is so... He's trying to kill me. But, well, I'll just use your head and make a dish. Hey, it's a bone. That's cool. I can make a dish with that pretty easily. Where's that Whisk Woman? No. Oh, hey. Found her. Hi. There's a spine. I don't think that she likes me. You. Actually, I can make a pretty good dish out of you. Sir? I think I killed him. I got his brother, too. I need to hear a third. Let's go. I can finally make ribs. Let's go. What is that? What the heck? You. It's taking me somewhere. I don't like this. It's taking me somewhere. I really don't like this. There's a spider and...